Hey everybody, so I just now remembered that I have a squishy. So it's very squishy indeed. You know how I like the squishies. But yeah, I have a squishy and it's a little bit defected as you can see. But when I got it, it was already defected. But I don't really care about the defectation. I don't know how to say it that way. But I don't really care about that. I just care of like how squishy it is. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video of this squishy because I forgot that I had it, and it's been in my room on my desk basically every day now, and I have never noticed it. So yeah, it's a little defected, but it's very squishy. I can't really do it with my hand because it has like this. Don't mind this. This is a setup, but it's a little defective, but it's super squishy. So I just wanted to do a quick review. I mean, not review, but video of it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe if you're new. Subscribe, like, and comment if you want me to do a dare with this. Nothing boiling wise because I don't have enough squishies to do that, and yeah. So if you like this video, if you did, like, share, whatever you need to do, and I'll see you all later. Good day and bye.